Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to adjust your mouse pointer size in Windows 10. Now this feature has been around in Windows for a very long time. However, there is a slightly different way to do it in Windows 10, and that is the method we will be exploring today. So what we want to do is head over to our Start menu, left click on Settings. In the Settings window, left click on Ease of Access. On the left side here, where we have all these options, left click on Mouse, and then we can see our top option here is pointer size. So right now we are on the far left selection, meaning we have the smallest or standard pointer size. If you want to increase it, we can select the second option in the middle, which will give us a medium-sized cursor, or we could go over to the far right, and that'll give us the largest size cursor available. At this point, once you've made your selection, you can close out of this window, and you are done. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.